Had a fella roll a Farmall H into my Iowa shed last March. He'd cranked until the battery sounded tired, and he was ready to tear into the carburetor. We found a loose battery connection, a damp distributor cap, and a choke that wasn't closing all the way. That's Farmall H hard starting. The carb gets blamed first, plenty of times when the trouble is somewhere simpler. Start with the battery and cables. Clean both cable ends and the ground down to bright metal, then watch whether the starter slows badly under load. Check whether your tractor has the original style electrical system or a 12-volt conversion. Test what is actually there, don't trust a faded decal or assume every H is wired alike. Next, check the ignition. Inspect the switch, coil connections, and primary wire for corrosion or a loose terminal. Pull one plug, ground it firmly against clean engine metal, and crank briefly. You want a crisp, repeatable spark. Wet plugs suggest flooding or fuel that isn't being burned. Bone-dry plugs suggest fuel may not be getting through. Before adjusting the carb, verify the firing order, commonly 1-3-4-2, and trace each wire from the distributor to the right plug. Check the points and plug gap against the manual for your parts. Common tune-up references put the point gap near 0.020 inch and the plug gap around 0.023 to 0.025, but conversions and replacement parts matter. Then check fuel flow at the carburetor drain. You want a steady stream, not a short dribble. Inspect the sediment bowl, screen, tank outlet, and shutoff. Watch the choke plate while someone moves the control. If it doesn't close fully when cold or open as the engine warms, fix the linkage. Here's my shop tip: write down wet or dry plugs, spark strength, fuel flow, and choke position before changing a part. That note can save you from buying 3 parts to cure one loose wire. For the full Farmall H manual with the starting and lighting information, see the link below. Work safely, confirm your tractor's configuration, and I'll see you in the next one.